Hello, I'm going to discuss some new technologies that promotes either participatory, advanced learning with technology. The first thing I'm going to discuss is what we're using right here is the screen recorder. Um, that can be used along with YouTube and Google Classroom to use flipped classroom activities. So obviously right here, we all know we've downloaded the screen recorder. It is free, up to 15-minute video. So it'd be good for me to use, along with, like I said, posting on YouTube, which is also free. And the way that my students would get to it would be going into my Google Classroom. All students are able to access Google Classroom. You just have to give them a code and add them to the class. So these are my folders I have right now. I have a school folder, my health education staff folder, and just a SHM new teaching staff that has all my um, PowerPoints, all my paperwork, everything I need for school. So what I would do here is I would add create or join a class. I would create a class. I could just type in the class name, the section, so I could say A days, B days for my classes. Subject would be health or exercise physiology, and then I'd put my room number. After that, I could create the class, and I could go into it just like this. Um, Look at the folders, see what's in the drive. Nothing in this drive yet, but you could drag and drop files where I would just drop videos, so from YouTube. And once I drop those YouTube videos, they could watch them, learn. I could do test reviews with it. I could have the test going up with all the right answers and me recording and going over it. Along with the flipped classroom, it really promotes learning at home. So I would record myself teaching the lesson so they could watch it on their own time and learn. And then once they came into class, I'd be able to do pretty much the homework in class. Put them in groups, have them learn together cooperatively, and it also promotes more one-on-one time with the use of the technology at home. So in class, like I said, it's more one-on-one with the teacher, working together. Like mentioned in our textbook, these new literacies bring on a whole new realm of communication and culture. So there's not just reading books and textbooks and having the kids just looking at you during class. We're able to communicate and use these new literacies or new technologies to revamp our classrooms and a way of learning for all students. The second technology I would like to promote that I actually used last year, I would like to use this year as well, is, is Kahoot. So with these Kahoots is it's a pretty amazing thing to use. The kids enjoy it a lot too. So you can either use it for quizzes, tests, or just for reviews, which I normally use it for. Instead of people like making a Jeopardy board, it's an interactive service that the kids use on their phones. You can either create a Kahoot or discover, which is search for a Kahoot. So when you create one, you could do a test review for anything you want, whether it's health, sciences, just having fun. So these are the latest ones I've done, so I could see everything I've done in the past. So these are all the ones I've done. Ones on diabetes, just ones for Easter, heart disease. So it's pretty cool. Or really, you could just search anything you want. So say I wanted to go here, I could do fitness. I could do any fitness one. Click on it. It says 20 questions. You could review the questions first to see if this is one that you would like. You press play. Once you press play, it will give a code. So it's loading in now. You can do classic or team mode where kids can work together. Once it's loading in, it would normally give a code right here. So you could have every kid type in the access code on their phone. They just have to go to the website. I said it's very, very simple. Kids normally love it. And yeah, that's really it. Like I said, I reviewed a lot over the textbook just to see how they believe the new literacies and technologies should be implemented, and how that's working in the past, and how some people are still stuck on the way of using books. And I feel like the kids are not learning well from that, and they need a revamped system to be able to uh, have a better learning experience.